What is undercooling or subcooling of refrigeration system? The term subcooling, which is also known as undercooling, refers to a liquid existing at a temperature below its normal boiling point. Normally, a refrigeration system has a subcooling stage, allowing technicians to be certain that the quality in which the refrigerant reaches the next step of the cycle is the desired one. The answer to this question would be the COP, or the coefficient of performance, can be improved by undercooling or pre-cooling. It is the process where the liquid refrigerant is allowed to cool below the saturation temperature. Subcooling is done by circulating greater amount of cooling agent, that is water, through the condenser, or by using water cooler than natural temperature water, which has higher coefficient of performance, vapor compression or vapor absorption. Vapor compression refrigeration or vapor compression refrigeration system, or in short VCRS, in which the refrigerant undergoes phase changes, is the one of the many refrigeration cycles and is the most widely used method for air conditioning of buildings and automobiles. In the vapor absorption system, the refrigerant used is ammonia, water, or lithium bromide. The refrigerant gets condensed in the condenser and it gets evaporated in the evaporator. In the vapor compression system, the compressor sucks the refrigerant from the evaporator and compresses it to the high pressure. The answer to this question would be vapor compression has the higher COP. Generally, the COP of vapor compression ranges from 3 to 4, but the COP, or the coefficient of performance, of vapor absorption is generally 1. It happens because the coefficient of performance of vapor compression is equals to refrigeration work divided by compressor work. But the coefficient of performance in case of absorption, vapor absorption system, would be refrigeration effect divided by generator work plus pump work.